When it comes to running a business, first impressions matter. One of the most visible elements of your business premises is the door customers and employees walk through every day. In Mesa, Arizona, where the hot desert climate meets growing commercial development, having the right commercial door installation can make a world of difference. Whether you're opening a new office, upgrading your storefront, or ensuring your industrial building is secure, the right door offers more than just aesthetics. It enhances functionality, safety, and energy efficiency. Why commercial door installation matters. The doors of your business play several critical roles: safety and security. The security of your business is paramount, and commercial doors are the first line of defense. High-quality commercial door installations include advanced locking systems, reinforced frames, and durable materials like steel or aluminum that make unauthorized access nearly impossible. You'll not only protect your business from potential break-ins but also ensure the safety of employees, equipment, and customers. Energy efficiency. Mesa's desert climate can put a strain on energy systems, especially during the sweltering summer months. Poorly installed or outdated doors can allow cool air to escape, driving up your energy bills. A professionally installed, energy-efficient commercial door can reduce heat transfer, improve insulation, and keep your utility costs under control. Aesthetic appeal. A well-designed commercial door reflects the professionalism of your business. Whether you're welcoming customers into a retail store, office space, or industrial facility, a modern, attractive entrance creates an inviting atmosphere. It's also a chance to align your entryway with your branding, ensuring that your building looks as polished and professional as your services. Accessibility. ADA compliance is critical for businesses, ensuring easy access for individuals with disabilities. The right commercial door installation will factor in accessibility features, including automatic doors, ramps, and appropriate handle heights, to ensure your business is welcoming and compliant with regulations. Types of commercial doors. Mesa, Arizona businesses come in all shapes and sizes, from retail stores to manufacturing facilities, and different types of doors suit different business needs. Here are some popular options. Glass doors. Ideal for retail stores and office spaces, glass doors provide a sleek, professional appearance while allowing natural light to filter in. They can be framed or frameless and are typically equipped with reinforced glass for durability and security. Steel doors. For businesses that prioritize security, steel doors are a popular choice. These doors are robust, resistant to impacts, and often fire-rated, making them suitable for industrial settings, warehouses, or any commercial property requiring high levels of security. Automatic doors. For high-traffic areas, such as grocery stores or hospitals, automatic sliding or swinging doors provide convenience, allowing customers to enter and exit without manually operating the door. These doors can be equipped with sensors and are often energy efficient. Fire-rated doors. Safety regulations often require fire-rated doors in commercial buildings. These doors are designed to prevent the spread of fire and smoke, offering crucial protection in case of emergencies. Fire-rated doors can be both functional and aesthetically pleasing, ensuring they blend seamlessly into your business's design. The installation process. Commercial door installation in Mesa starts with a thorough consultation. Experts will visit your business site, assess the unique needs of your building, and recommend the best door types based on your requirements for security, aesthetics, and energy efficiency. After choosing the right door, installation professionals ensure precise measurements and proper fitting to avoid drafts, energy loss, or operational issues. Whether you need one door or a whole series, expert installation guarantees that your doors will perform optimally and last longer in Mesa's challenging climate. Why choose local professionals? Working with local experts for your commercial door installation means you're partnering with a team that understands Mesa's specific environmental and regulatory needs. Local installers are familiar with Arizona's building codes, weather conditions, and business landscape, allowing them to recommend solutions that will perform well under the region's unique conditions. Commercial door installation is about more than just opening and closing a business space. It's about creating a secure, efficient, and inviting entrance that enhances your brand. By choosing the right commercial door and partnering with local experts in Mesa, Arizona, you'll ensure your business makes a powerful first impression while reaping the benefits of enhanced security, energy savings, and aesthetic appeal.